Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete the highlight on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the middle of your profile, you'll find your highlights, and these are essentially archived stories on your profile page represented by circle icons. And if you want to remove a highlight, just long press on the highlight that you want to remove and select Delete Highlight. And then just confirm that you want to delete it, and this will remove the highlight from your profile. However, keep in mind that even though you deleted the highlight from your profile, your archived stories will still be saved in your stories archive and you can go back to them whenever you want to. And that's how you can easily delete the highlight on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!